guys haven't seen this, this is the new large tool roll from Blue Ridge Overland Gear. So not only can you store a ratchet through the loops or multiple ratchets or pry bars through the loops like this, but you can also pop it open and you can lay it in between and roll it. But probably my favorite feature so far is how quickly it opens. And then if you take the pouches out, but it also doubles as a mat that you can lay on the ground and then lay down on top of, or put your knees on or whatever. That way you're not tracking mud into your vehicle after you get done fixing your truck. And then once you're done, you just throw your stuff back on. That's all there is to it. What a great product.